Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. As we approach the close of another school year, I want to thank you for continuing to follow along with the important work happening across our district. Last night's board meeting was a meaningful one, full of celebrations of students, staff members, and community partners, thoughtful conversations about the road ahead, and decisions that will have a lasting impact on our schools. Here's a look at what took place. We opened the meeting with the Pledges of Allegiance led by students from Evers Park Elementary. These students shined brightly, reflecting the spirit of the Evers Park community. The board then had the honor of recognizing several outstanding members across Denton ISD and our community. First, we celebrated musicians from the Cheek Middle School Band who performed at the Music for All National Concert Festival, one of the most prestigious honors in the country for school music programs. Their selection is a testament to the talent of these young musicians and the dedication of their directors, families, and school community. Congratulations to our Cheek Middle School Band on representing Denton ISD on a national stage. We are also pleased to recognize our students who advanced to the State Visual Arts Scholastic event, also known as VACE. Out of more than 32,000 high school works judged statewide, 20 Denton ISD pieces advanced to the state competition, with 4 receiving the Gold Seal Award, the highest honor in VACE, given to only 150 artworks across the state. We are also proud to recognize 8 of our middle school artists who earned the Platinum Medal at Junior VACE. Congratulations to our VACE winners, and thank you to the art teachers whose mentorship made these achievements possible. Finally, we recognize the CoServe Charitable Foundation for their generous donation of $35,000 to the Denton Public School Foundation. This meaningful gift will fund $1,000 scholarships for a graduating senior at each of our high school campuses, with the remaining funds supporting teacher grants for STEM-related projects. CoServe continues to be an incredible community partner, and we are so grateful for their continued investment in our students and teachers. During last night's workshop sessions, the board engaged in several discussions focused on the future of our district and the resources needed to continue serving every student and family. The board continued its work on the 2026-2027 budget, reviewing updated revenue and expenditure projections as we move closer to budget adoption later this summer. As always, our priorities remain focused on teaching and learning, program sustainability, competitive compensation for our employees, and preserving fund balance integrity, all within a balanced budget. We will continue sharing additional information as the budget process moves forward. Trustees also discussed the District Improvement Plan, which serves as the strategic roadmap that aligns federal requirements, the Texas Education Code, and our local priorities to guide the work happening on every campus. The board reviewed the district's needs assessment, celebrated areas of strength such as graduation rates and employee engagement, and discussed opportunities for continued growth, including progress monitoring of common assessments and deeper parent, family, and community engagement. The board received an update on the district's property and casualty insurance program. Through a layered coverage strategy, the district was able to reduce total property and equipment breakdown premiums by more than $466,000 for the upcoming year, while maintaining strong coverage for our facilities, vehicles, and operations. Finally, the board discussed the TASB Legislative Advocacy Resolution. This resolution allows Denton ISD to add our voice to the priorities the Texas Association of School Boards will advocate for at the state level. Speaking up for public education and the needs of our students, staff, and schools remains essential as we prepare for the upcoming legislative session. Under new business, the board approved the 2026-27 compensation plan, a meaningful step in following through on the promise made to our teachers, staff, and community when voters passed Proposition A last November. Our commitment was to elevate our teacher pay scale, ensuring we are best positioned to attract and retain the very best educators for our students. Our teachers received a 3% increase for the 2025-26 school year, followed by a 1% increase in March. This plan provides a 4% market increase for teachers. With last night's action, that brings teachers to a combined 8% increase over the past 2 years, meaningful progress towards ensuring Denton ISD remains a destination for the very best in public education. For our staff, this plan provides a 2% midpoint increase of their current pay grade. This follows a 3% increase for the 2025-26 school year and a 1% increase in March, bringing staff to a combined 6% increase over the past 2 years. This investment reflects our ongoing commitment to valuing every employee across Denton ISD. Thank you to our trustees and to our community for prioritizing the people who make our district what it is. We also want to share the official results of our recent Board of Trustee election. We are pleased to welcome 2 new members to the Denton ISD Board of Trustees, Greg Pedelick for place 6 and Anita Martinez Strickland for place 7, who will officially swear in at the June 9th board meeting. We are grateful for their willingness to serve our students and community, and we also extend our thanks and appreciation to outgoing trustee Dr. Patricia Sosa Sanchez for her years of service on the board. If you'd like to review presentations or materials from last night's board meeting, they are available on the Board of Trustees webpage on the district website. Our next board meeting will take place on Tuesday, June 9th, and we look forward to sharing another recap with you then. Thank you for being an important part of the Denton ISD community and for your continued support of our students and schools. We'll continue sharing these updates so you always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.